What are we looking at? We are essentially talking about the dollar index going down, crude stabilizing and popping right back up, and commodities historically have done well when there is liquidity, when Fed is cutting rates, and when one is getting a sense that the US economy is slowing down, and excess liquidity always fuels commodity. But this time, this combination of a weak dollar index and a Fed cut setup has not really translated into a big rally so far. Kunal has been maintaining his view that get ready for a multi-month rally in commodities, and now your view is that the commodity index, so Nifty Metal Index, is at a new high.
No, it's indicative of a big breakout. So,
Okay.
Something which...
How far it is away from a high?
So I think just about 2 percentage points from a breakout point, but from a high, I think it's still 10-15% away.
Okay, so we are now at that launch point, so to speak, where the markets or Nifty Metal Index could pivot.
Exactly.
Why do you say that?
So, what we mapped out is a trend indicator. Now, a trend indicator is a classic sign of, indices or stocks coming out of their bearish phases and then into a breakout mode. So, this is the chart. So, the upper end is the indicator which I mapped up. And very interestingly, over a span of every 6 months, from November 2022, we saw the indicator breaking the line of zero. The Nifty Metal Index got into a breakout. We saw 15% rally, 10 to 15% rally in a matter of just 2 months. Then, same happened in March 2023. We saw the index breaking out of that, zero barrier. That resulted into the Nifty Metal Index moving up from 5,700 to almost 6,300 levels. Same happened in November 2023, April 2024. So we are at that point again in the month of September, October 2024, that the Nifty Metal Index is showing a classical sign of a breakout of this zero line. If that happens, the last 4 instances, and all interestingly, every 6-month phase, so November 22, April 23, November 23, April 24. Every 6 months, the Nifty Metal Index has managed to give a breakout, and that's led to almost a 2 to 3 month of a 15% rally.
So you are of the view that a sharp rally in metals, because for metal it would be sharp.
Absolutely.
A sharp rally in metals is coming.
Absolutely. So for the index, if it's 15%, then you can expect that many of the constituents can rally by 20-25% also.
What is the composition of the Nifty Metal Index? Say, for example, in the Bank Nifty, 3 banks account for nearly 70% of the weightage.
Correct.
What is the composition here?
So Tata Steel, of course, is one of the highest weighted stock over here. Then you have the likes of JSW Steel, JSPL, Hindalco, Vedanta, etc. Many of these stocks, they have a substantial holding for themselves. But from the charts, when we look at the leaders, then so far on basis of price performance, JSPL and JSW Steel are the 2 ones which are coming back towards a breakout of their all-time highs.
So JSPL and
Jindal Steel.
No, JSPL
and JSW Steel.
JSW Steel. They both are looking set for a clean breakout.
Absolutely,
now.
yes.
Okay, with that, it's back to the studio.